Welcome to Little Tina. We will talk through the van, Little
Cool.
Tina. Okay, so,
I'm Rob, by the way, and this is Tracey, and this is Little Tina, and this is the hob.
the copper at the back here is one of the first things that attracted us to Little Tina. It's very shiny.
We're like magpies, I think that's what happened. We got suckered in. Not only that, I think the bed as well. We got really drawn to that, and then the two together decided to go for it.
So we have a solar panel on the top which works the lighting. Another thing that we really liked was the amount of storage in her. We've had her for about 18 months. We originally bought her from an artist couple from around.
They were in Leicester. They were living in Spain in the van, and come back and have done a narrowboat up. So they converted this as a studio and a workplace. So and these, I don't know if you noticed, they're nicely etched. They're all etched. The tiles there are handmade. There's a handmade one-off tile back over there. But what we liked about it was just super practical. They were holding sort of dinner parties in here for their friends. The beds, this is what sold it for me. Me being like 6'4". These are super long and really nice and thick. So I'm 194, about 6'4". So this is perfect for me. And one of the main reasons that I really like the van, because you get a great night's sleep. There's room, ample room for the two of you, and headroom. You could, if you're friends, just use them as a single, and they work perfectly well as a single, or they zip together as a double.
This is where the solar panel charges, and we've got 2 USB ports here for charging phones, and you can also work your music into the speakers here. And we've also got another charging point just above the cooler here. There's an inverter there with a 3-pin plug. So here we have the 3 hobs and a grill underneath.
And we've recently had fitted the gas here. So we've got LPG tank underneath outside the van. Just fire that on and off. Straightforward, just on, off, and then fire the hob up, and you're good to go. Another
really lovely thing about Little Tina is the storage underneath here.
Well, the wine rack.
And the wine rack. The wine rack, which is very important.
They just tilt down so that the bottles stay there when you're on the move.
So we have 2 water storage tanks. One is for the fresh water, 25 litres, and the other tank is for the grey water. Again, that's 25 litres. We have another little helpful kitchen area which slides in and out. So it's quite useful when you're preparing the food to have the extra slide out bit there. And cutlery drawer, the cooler, which is a 12-volt cooler and heater. So obviously that works from the solar panel. These drawers go back quite a way. So
there's plenty of storage under here. Welly boots, all sorts of things you don't want to see. And these just pop in and out, which is really nice.
We also have a lovely little privacy curtain, which is very bright with the nice elephants.